Sometimes we don't always see the behaviors we're trying to understand during a therapy session. That's where ABC data comes in. It's a simple way for parents, caregivers, teachers, and behavior analysts to figure out what's really going on. ABC stands for Antecedent, Behavior, and Consequence. It means looking at what happens right before a behavior, the behavior itself, and what happens right after. ABC data helps us be proactive instead of reactive. We need to know where we are before we can decide where to go. By collecting patterns over time, we can figure out the function of the behavior, what the child is getting or avoiding by doing it. When a behavior happens, write down the antecedent, what directly happened right before, and the consequence, what happened right after. You don't have to capture every detail, just the most important pieces. Carry a notebook, a printed data sheet, or use software to make it easier. For example, a parent asks their child to start homework. The child yells and pushes the paper away. The parent writes down A. Asked to start homework. B. Yelled and pushed paper. C. Escaped task, parent gave break. That's ABC data, simple, immediate, and powerful. Once we have enough data, we can better figure out the function of the behavior and adjust. If a behavior happens because of demands, we can lower the demands or give more prep. If it happens because of sensory needs, we can change the environment, like headphones on the bus, fidgets in class, or breaks to move around. We can't just change the child's behavior by wishing it away, but we can change the environment and consequences to increase the behaviors we want and decrease the ones we don't. The missing piece of information is the function of the behavior, or why the behavior occurs. And your accurate ABC data is the information that helps to understand this. ABC data doesn't need to be perfect, and it doesn't need to have every little detail. Just 3 simple snapshots of what occurs immediately before, during, and immediately after a behavior. Each note you take is a step toward understanding, and understanding is the first step toward lasting change.